just bought. This is KiwiCo boxes. So let's open it up.
Okay.
Oh gosh. The Hulk. It's shut. Open. Yeah, like crazy. Wow. Look at the checkers. So cool.
What are we making?
A disc launcher. Step 1. Slide the foam donut into the end of the tube. Then peel the backing of the foam. Okay, then we're gonna peel the bottom of it, and then we're gonna get this piece and stick it on. So now we're gonna put it in here. Step 3, remove the tube.
That's looking pretty difficult, isn't it?
Yes. I turned it out. How do you do it? Turn. You do it.
You sure?
Step 4. Slide two corners in the wooden base. Step 5. Wrap a rubber band around the quarters, then flip over the base over. It should look like this when it is flipped over. Step 6. Peel the back of the 2 wooden rectangles and stick them onto the base. Step 7. Peel the backing off both wood rectangles.
Which we did.
Step 8. Flip over the wood base and stick it onto the foam base. Step 9. Slide the pin into the base with the triangle facing up. Okay. So let's put it in here, and that it should look like this. Step 10. Hook another rubber band under the pin and stretch it around the center. Okay. So then, okay, it should look like this now. Step 11. Peel the backing of the foam. Stick it to the end of the foam base. So here. Peel this off like there. It's looking like this. Step 12. Slide the tube under the foam donut and fill it with 5 to 10 discs. Get this and put this in the middle. Step 13. To launch, pull the pin straight back to the stopper. Hold the wooden base and let go. Keep the pin as flat if you pull back. Okay. Just have to pull it back like this and like shoot.
Wow, that one really is working really. Wow. I wonder if you put the barrels in front, if you can knock them out. Wow.
Here's the garters, right?
Yeah. So, after trying the disc launcher, would you recommend this to kids?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yes.
Was it easy? On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being very difficult, What do you think that kids your age, how difficult would it be?
3.
3? Okay, so it's very easy to put together. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay. And the last part is to create obstacles out of clay. And that's what the air dry clay is for.
Like and subscribe.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.